It will rain soon. Mahatma Gandhi was born in Porbandar. Tom would have reached Bangalore by this time. I shall visit the book fair tomorrow. Okay, have you written? Now come to the answer part. This is the train had left. Had given and this is your past participle of verb. So this is your past perfect tense. Had perfect tense, past perfect tense had, present perfect tense have or has. This is past perfect tense because here is had and this is past participle. Second one, it will rain soon. Will it will rain soon. This is your will, here no have or past participle form or ing form. This is only will. If there is only will or shall and this is verb 1, then this is your future simple future tense. This is simple future tense. There is no have, no ing. So this is simple future tense. Mahatma Gandhi was born in Porbandar. Was born in Porbandar. This is your simple past tense. Here is was, but there is no ing form. This is your simple past tense, not past continuous tense. This is simple past tense. Tom would have reached Bangalore by this time. Would is given. If this one, Tom will have reached Bangalore by this time, then this is your future perfect tense. But here is would given. So this is your past perfect tense. Okay. Now come to the group C. Another question 5. I shall visit the book fair tomorrow. Here is given shall and there is no have, no past participle, no ing form. This is your simple future tense. Now come to the group D. First one. They dashed for 3 hours in the park before I called them. Bracket given play. By the end of this week, we dashed all our projects. Bracket given finish. The thieves dashed away before the police arrived. Bracket given ran. Raghu dashed since 8 a.m. Bracket given work. The light went out while I dashed my homework. Bracket given do. Okay. Have you done? Now come to the answer part. The dash play for 3 hours in the park before I called them. For 3 hours. For is given, then this is your perfect tense. And this is before given. So this is your past perfect continuous. This is for means perfect continuous tense. For 3 hours since 5 o'clock means perfect continuous tense. And here is given before, so this is your past perfect continuous tense. They had been playing for 3 hours in the park before I called them. मेरे बुलाने से पहले और 3 आवर तक खेल रहे थे. Then by the end of this week we dashed all our projects. By the end of this week इस week by the end of this week we dash all our projects. By the end of this week हम हमारा प्रोजेक्ट ख़त्म कर चुके होंगे. तो क्या होगा ये फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस दैट इज विल हैव फिनिश्ड कर चुके होंगे. हम हमारा प्रोजेक्ट ख़त्म कर चुके होंगे बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस वीक. द थीव्स डैश अवे बिफोर द पुलिस अराइव्ड. Here, this is before the police arrived. This is simple past tense. This will be your past perfect tense. पुलिस आने से पहले thief चला गया था. तो ये क्या होगा past perfect tense that is had run, not ran run. That is your run ran run. Past participle of run is run. So had run away before the police arrived. रघु डैश सिंस 8 AM। यहाँ पे सिंस दिया है, सिंस और फॉर दिया है तो परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस होगा। और रघु ये क्या होगा, ये यहाँ पे बिफोर कुछ नहीं दिया है, पास्ट टेंस का कुछ भी नहीं दिया है, तो ये प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस होगा। तो क्या होगा, रघु हैज बीन वर्किंग सिंस 8 AM। ओके। नेक्स्ट, द लाइट वेंट आउट वाइल आई डैश माई होमवर्क। जब मैं होमवर्क कर रहा था तभी लाइट चला गया। तो कर रहा था ये क्या होगा, कंटिन्यूस टेंस है। तो क्या हो जाएगा, और वेंट दिया है तो पास्ट टेंस है, पास्ट टेंस है और कंटिन्यूस टेंस है, तो क्या होगा, पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस, दैट इज आई वाज डूइंग माई होमवर्क। ओके, राइट योर मार्क।